My boys, what is good? I'm gonna try to mic up the Z with this mic right here. It's kind of risky, but I really want to try it. I got two of them, so if one breaks, I'm not really too mad. We're also, just for safety, we're gonna zip tie it because there's not really any mounts on it. I'm just putting it on there. So yeah, so this video is gonna be a little mic'd up video. It's gonna be our first mic'd up video. So if it's kind of bad, I mean, if it's like really bad, I'll delete it, of course. But if it's like kind of bad, might still upload it. We're probably just gonna zip tie this. Oh hell yeah! We had the little windbreaker, whatever that thing's called. I'm stupid. No, I'm stupid. All right, so the blow off valve's right there. So honestly, it's gonna get really hot. But we can put it. Might just be able to put it right here. Let's see. We're not going too far, so that's why I'm kind of trying it now. Okay, it is kind of. Hold on. The magnet might be tighter. I'm not even gonna lie. We just zip tie this, and I think, yeah, that shit should not move at all. Okay, boom. I don't know if y'all can hear me, so this POV might be a silence POV. We're just gonna put this down there. Put that down there for now, and I'll just cut it off. Seems like it won't move, so yeah. I mean, the zip tie is not really on there that well, if I'm being honest. It can fall off anytime, but it's just here for safety measures. But yeah, it might fall off, it might not. There's no tracking, so if it falls off, it's fucked. But yeah, my boys. But that shit probably sounds nasty inside. All right, my boys, we got some good news, we got some bad news. The bad news is the clip, it might sound ugly right now too, but the clip kind of got messed up, so we turned down the gain a little bit. We're gonna try it one more time. See how it sounds. I can't see shit. The Z at night, oh my god, it fucking sucks. Let's get some more pulls. I'm gonna turn off this main mic and then get you guys some pulls, and hopefully it sounds nice. So I might hide people. or actually yesterday, we installed the new wheel, and unfortunately, I fucked up. I didn't watch no videos or anything, and apparently you got to, I messed up the spring basically, so we got to just buy a new spring.